Good morning, Chronicle crew. So today we're going to hang up the GOVEE COB LED strip lights. These are RGBIC, which means that they can give us a whole range of colors, and the COB is allowing us to have, I think, a circuit on board so that you can have this nice even lighting instead of a bunch of those little dots from individual lights. So for us, this should add some much needed illumination because the van lights in the cargo area are very bright and very white, and they only really seem to come on for a little while after you open the door, which could be annoying at night. I've gone through a couple of different iterations of these clips, and these will go up on the ceiling via screws instead of adhesive, and then this will clip in and hold it on the roof. So what we have to do now is figure out where we want to put it and arrange it. So let's go. So we're trying to figure out where exactly to place this thing, how far front and how far back, and I mean, I guess we could even do a design with zigzags or something like that, but you know, it's not super bendy for that sort of thing, so realistically, I'm thinking we're looking at gentle bends. I guess the other alternative is that we buy a second one and install it. Not very cheap. Well, I mean, we have a couple of options. One, we could do it along the perimeter of the walls towards the back. I think you said you'd rather have it up front. If we pull them up front, like say to here.
Why don't we do it this way?
What?
Do it this way.
There's a cord here. We have to be tethered to a wall outlet where this cord is. This cord is the beginning of wherever we have to put it. It needs to be relatively close to an outlet.
Oh,
okay. It doesn't have to be that close, but close enough. And we have outlets on the driver's side along the top, these two outlets here, and then one in the bottom at the rear. And then one more on this side, which I need to wire up because I accidentally drilled through the cord.
So should we put this on
But I don't know if you
that side? Because we have to figure out where this end's going to get plugged into, right?
Yes. I mean, it's a fair amount of cord.
I know, it's too bad it can't just run from here and like around.
It won't run all the way around, no.
Right.
You would need something
like go up.
I don't think that's going to give us a lot of light. All right, here, we'll try your idea. I don't think it's a good one, but we'll try it. All right, so hold this other end up at the roof, right? You have 15 feet here.
Could it go? Oh, okay.
Well, remember, no sharp bends.
No sharp bends.
Gentle bends, right? So why don't you try bending up where your left hand is right now? Your left hand, your other. No. Not at an angle. Like, you want to make a bend, right? So what's that look like? So you're not going to be able to do that either.
We could do across, because I think that. What were you thinking? Can you just tell me what you were thinking?
I've already been pretty clear, I think, about telling you what I was thinking, which is to go along the roof in a U shape.
Great, let's do that.
But
No, that's great. I like that. Let's do that.
Okay. The question is how. The question that we've been trying to work with is where do we place the beginning end in U? But you know, it's important to get your feedback on where does the U go. So if I start it here and here, and then I guess I could run it to roughly where there's a U in the thing and then just do that. Do you want it mostly back here? All right, here. Hold on. This thing is so floppy.
I know.
Because it's so heavy. And then you got to hold your end over there so that we can figure out where the U is.
We could tape this up as we go.
It's a one-shot kind of tape, though. It's not like peel and stick and restick. I don't really need you to do that. I guess I'm just looking to you for how we should affix it.
Yeah.
You're the more creative, designerly person.
Ugh.
Is it too early?
No.
Your coffee not kicking in?
Yeah, that should be fine. Just go down, and is it going to affect? We're going to have to go around these.
Yeah, or they may not stay up anyway.
Maybe you should start with the circle on that side and then come this way. Is there a plug? Is there a plug back there?
If you look down there, you'll see that there is another set of outlets.
So maybe we should plug it in over there, bring it this way, and make this the U.
You could certainly do that.
Yeah.
But I thought you didn't really want the light in over the bed so much. You're allowed to change your mind, obviously. We run the strip along the sides here.
We're going to be like getting ready here, going to the bathroom here, like, because we could run another one under the bed and we can see the...
Oh, I have those...
oh, okay, that's right.
I have these stick-up lights that are motion activated, and they're not on right now.
So he has these, and they stick with a magnet underneath the bed.
They also came with sticky plates that can be screwed in if you're wanting to use it with non-magnetic surfaces. But I've got like 5 of them.
They're stuck onto the bed.
And I've got like 6 of them under the bed so that you could use that.
Yeah, I think the easiest way would just to be a U.
Okay.
And do the U this way and then plug it there.
Sure. Again, I mean, the cable is kind of longish. I mean, you just probably want to at least account for where the remote control is, even though they're smart lights, right? So that way you can change the colors.
Oh, there you go.
And the brightness. Standard strip light stuff.
What color is that? Oh, red?
It's changing colors. It's a cycling rainbow of colors.
Cool.
Nothing's too good for my honey. There. So then if you have them there, right, obviously it's gonna... doesn't really like it either. Yeah. I really don't like that configuration.
But you're thinking more on the ceiling.
Or
and
along
then
the,
turning
no,
it.
I'm thinking more up top. So, I don't know, maybe this is the way to go, you know? You know what I mean?
Mm.
I mean, this would kind of go in here like this, but it wouldn't be very well stuck.
Oh, because you can't hook it.
So I don't know, we'd have to figure out how to affix it onto here. I mean, maybe it would just work by sticking it onto the headliner directly, you know, but I'm just sort of putting it up here right now.
So I guess he moved to using this sleeve thing. But even this isn't really working. It's kind of, I mean, it works, but it takes a really lot of effort. And he's over it. So now he's off to go get some sort of some other tool. Wish us luck.
A lot of these extra drill bits.
What are these?
Drill bits?
Huh.
So I'm going to make a little pilot hole for these squirrely little screws because I'm tired of screwing with them. No pun intended. You know what's interesting is they give you a ton of these little ones because they assume you're going to break them. Hey, Chronicle crew, so the GOVEE COV 5-meter light strip is up. These seem to work just fine, nice and tight, keeping it in there, so I'm not worried about them falling out of the clips more than, I guess, the clips falling out of wherever they're attached to. I didn't use any of the adhesive. So we've got the lights kind of illuminating our main working area, if you will. Obviously, we'll have some cleanup to do, but we have, you know, the various light cycles on the remote control. Got some working lights and mood lights, and more importantly for me, when we're doing astronomy, red lights. The nice thing is these are controllable with a smartphone, either over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It does have adhesive, so I guess we'll figure out how to do that and hide these cables. But for now, it's good enough. The lights are up. And I guess we'll put some reading lights back here so that we can read and not have the lights blaring in our eyes. I'll probably end up disconnecting the 2 white ones back there. They are really bright. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, Chronicle Crew.